What's going on, guys? So Steiny and Salim both called me. They're at the golf course right now. They made a wager for a $15,000 Rolex, and of course they called us to pull up with some options.
I want to take a classic sub, and then how much is this?
That 13.5.
Free rolling on my wrist. Thanks for the watch.
Yeah.
Easy game, D1.
13.5 down the drain.
Timepiece Trading. If you need anything in Miami, jewelry, watches.
Yeah, shout him out.
RITZ is right here to go.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, Timepiece Trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading. Timepiece Trading. Yes, sir.
What's going on, guys? This week we have a crazy episode. The boys from NEEL came by to Miami. They played a golf course and they called us up out of the blue. They said they wagered a Rolex. It was between Steiny and Salim, and we're about to go see who won. So stay tuned, guys, and you're gonna see the winner and see what watch they picked out.
Yo, bro.
My dog.
How you doing?
Good, brother. How you doing?
Good, thank God, bro.
Yes, sir.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you too. It's a
What's
good
up,
day.
bro? Yeah, so
man.
I know you came by to check out some cool stuff.
Yeah.
So I don't want to show them everything.
Mhm.
If they want to see everything, they're gonna have to come
Yeah,
here.
pull up.
But we'll show them like some dope shit. You
Okay,
know? I
cool.
got some dope shit ready.
All right, cool.
And I don't. Did you see the showroom yet?
No, I haven't
I'll
even
show
seen
you
the
quick.
showroom,
I'll show
man.
you quick, just so you see it, bro. So. Yeah, they're working.
Hard.
Good.
Dang, I didn't even know it was back here.
Yeah. So soon all the watches will be out, you know, so you can see
Dang.
everything as soon as you walk in.
Fire.
Yeah. Because imagine like people will come for a Rolex,
Yeah.
and I'll show them 20 Rolexes in a box, but I have 80 Rolexes. You know,
Yeah.
now you're gonna walk in, you'll see everything.
Wow.
So it should be a big wow. You know.
Dang, this is hard, bro.
Can't wait for it to be done.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Killing it.
He got called up on stage with Trump. I
Yeah.
saw that.
It's insane, bro.
Yeah, we have a lot of his art, so hopefully. Make a piece right there.
Oh yeah, the little Lana Bear right there. Yes,
I have
sir.
a huge one at the crib.
Yeah, you got a huge one in the crib. Going up in value, man. What's up? Shout out to Trump.
And if you mention Orlando, you know, we'll give you the Orlando price. So,
Sheesh.
yeah, these are some rare APs. We got some Richard Milles, we got some Pateks in here.
Damn.
And everything in here is factory, bro.
Wow. This is it's hard. You
What's your favorite piece in the
right
box?
now? It's out of this Richard Mille right here and that AP right
So,
there.
yeah, this is a factory rainbow AP. We'll start up here and we'll keep going. Yeah. So both of these actually are very rare. I don't think you would have seen them before, bro.
Nah, I've never seen those.
These are 10 in the world only.
10 in the
All
world.
factory. This one's the rose, this one's the white. They only make it in rose and white. So this is 2 of 20 pieces in the world.
And how much are they worth?
They're $250,000 each.
$250,000, guys.
Yeah.
$250,000.
Yeah, but it's a good price, bro. They were like almost 420,000. at one
Wow.
point, Yeah. And that's when Trump was in president last. So
So it's a steal now. So I mean, $250,000. You better.
if watches
Hop on these.
do what they did last time with Trump,
Yeah.
you know, now is a good time to buy. I don't know if it'll happen again, but
Yeah.
I'm praying, you know.
Yeah.
Trump was really good for us. This is a factory, everything emerald and baguette, 5980 Patek. So these go for 600,000
$600.
because it's factory. You know, if I do this, I can make it for you custom with the real Patek, and I just do the diamonds.
Yeah.
It's probably like 200 because it's from Patek. You know, it's
Patek
600,000. Yeah.
And the baguettes are shining.
Yeah, I mean the quality on these, it's unmatchable in the
Yeah.
setting because it's done from the brand. So
That is so hard, bro. That is hard.
yeah, we have also like the aftermarket stuff, but we wanted to show your channel the cool
Yeah,
stuff.
nah.
You know.
Nah, that might be my
Factory.
favorite now. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, this watch when you take it out, it hits.
Yeah,
different.
nah, that's different.
Yeah. This is my favorite watch, and we have 2 right now. This used to be my dream watch.
Wow.
Now I own one. I'm blessed to own
That's
one.
hard.
We got it on the wall.
On
there.
the wall
Yeah.
too. Hard.
And so these used to be 1.2 million. Now they're 400,000 a pop. All factory. So when you see it shines like diamonds, but it's not.
Yeah.
There's no stones on here. That's called frosted white gold. So they take a drill. They hammer and drill the gold for it to look this way. They just.
Oh, I didn't know they drilled it and hammered it.
Yeah.
That's hard.
They just cut up in a way that it's like shining now. You know. It's actually pretty rough. See?
Yeah.
I mean, they make it smooth. It doesn't hurt, but you can feel that it's textured gold.
Mm-hmm.
So we have 2 of them. Of course, you gotta have 2. You know.
2.
One ain't enough.
2.
But I think there's probably 30 in the world. Of it.
30 in the world.
Yeah, we have 2 of 30 here probably. It's not a limited edition, but they've been making like 10 a year is what the rumors say.
Yeah.
It's only been made for 3 years, this watch.
Oh.
Yeah, I've only seen like DJ Khaled, Travis Scott, like the owner of Rubat. Crazy people.
Yeah, I think so. You see Travis.
I think Anthony's World has it too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That one.
Q's partner.
And you got 3 of them.
3 of them, yeah. Here's an AP Tourbillon. So this is also a sleeper, you know? This one, you'll look super light. It's like the opposite.
It's super light.
That's a titanium watch. So titanium is very rare for AP. They don't make a lot of titanium.
Yeah.
It's very sporty. People love it. It's super lightweight. You barely feel it on the wrist. And a tourbillon, for those of you that don't know, is one of the most advanced levels of watchmaking. With the normal watch, even if it's a Rolex, a nice brand, you're gonna lose if you have it for the whole year. If you have it wound, you'll lose probably like 5 minutes of time in a year. Whereas the tourbillon, you should not even lose a second of time. It's the most accurate timekeeping. Not that 5 minutes of your watch going off in a year is gonna matter.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
the details.
It's the details.
Yeah.
It's like having a V12 engine, you know, handmade versus a machine-made engine. And, these are handmade, very rare, limited to 50 pieces, $200,000. This like its twin. It's in stainless steel. It's a bit of a different dial. I like this dial better. It's a cool blue.
Yeah, I like that blue.
This one's stainless steel, 200,000 as well. Also limited.
Okay.
Stunning watch. It's really cool to see the tourbillon moving.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah. This is uncommon. Richard
I've never
Mille.
seen that
you know?
Richard Mille before.
Like you'll see people like Sylvester Stallone wearing these.
Oh,
like
so it's
big
one of
dudes.
those,
You gotta be a big dude. And it's a good value for money. You know, you get into these for like $75,000.
Yeah.
Whereas other Richard Milles, you gotta pay really like 100K just to start. So if you want that look, you know, and they're big, they pop.
Yeah.
So it's a good look.
This is hard.
It's the diver.
Yeah, this is fire.
It's the Richard Mille diver. Here's a cooler one, bro.
Oh, that's a Richard too?
Yeah, this is a Richard. It's a diver as well.
Crazy.
This one I like better. It's the NTPT, which I actually named TPT after this material.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. My favorite watch, like this is also NTPT, you see? So it's the most durable forged carbon in the entire watchmaking industry. Like, bro, you could take this and go, and like the carbon will be perfect. I'm not gonna do it. This is for sale.
Not gonna test
But really, my personal Richard Mille, I wear it to the gym, bro. It hits weights all the time. It's 6 years old. It looks brand new.
Wow.
And that's the cool thing about TPT. Super light, plus cannot scratch. You know, it's super durable. So this one's a beautiful watch. These are 140,000.
140.
Yeah. You can tell because of the sides. It's it looks very Richard Mille from the side.
Yeah, it does.
Not as much.
Not with the side,
Here, and the buckle, of course.
I like the color of the band too.
Yeah. That's a very cool Jacob there, bro.
Yeah, it's Jacob.
Epic
right
X.
here. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's just fire. I like this one as a daily.
The green is sick.
Yeah.
Sick green, bro.
What about you, Neil?
Me, in this box, I mean, a daily. You said daily.
Daily forever.
I mean, I gotta go with something like this or the tourbillon in steel. Because for daily, yeah, like I like Audemars Piguet. I would say this is my favorite watch in the box, but this is not a daily, bro. I'm gonna get robbed.
What's your favorite watch ever?
I think it's
That
this one and the Nadal, the
Oh.
Richard Mille Nadal, which I think I have it here. This is my personal watch. My Nadal is here.
Oh yeah, that's hard.
And this is my favorite watch, but also you can't wear it every day.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so I've had the watch for 3 years, but look, like, bro, it's
Yeah, it still looks. This is in perfect condition.
yeah, you can't mess them up. And you've seen my stories. I wear it in the gym.
Yeah.
I wear it everywhere.
Yeah, that's hard, bro.
That's why I love it. Because when you scratch a watch, it gets annoying, you know,
Yeah,
like
bro.
seeing the scratches. So this is another cool one because you can't scratch it either. I love watches that are black and can't scratch. So that's forged carbon and ceramic.
See that? Damn,
And this watch is cheap, bro. It's like $23,000.
23.
Yeah.
Jeez.
To me, it's one of the most undervalued APs there is.
Nah, this is hard.
Look at the difference.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. So this one is also around 300, a little less, and yeah.
Yeah, this gold one is kind of hard though.
Yeah.
Like
This also we just got needs a polish.
Mhm.
You can see.
Damn, I might like this one though.
I mean, this strap is kind of boring. So the new straps have these like shark-looking vents, like this one, you know, whereas this one has the old strap on it. We just bought this actually. We got it today. So
that's nice.
Yeah. You put a white strap on here, bro. Game over.
Oh yeah, white strap on this.
Game
Crazy.
over. Yeah. Even green, yellow look amazing on this.
Yeah.
This is limited to 15 pieces in the world. This is the RM30 Malaysia edition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cause this was like the first Richard Mille I've seen. This is hard. Yeah, when I first went to the Richard Mille, it's the first Richard Mille I've seen. So, but I want this one. I'm gonna come back and buy that one.
I think those a lot of people have this one.
Yeah.
But that's because we know a lot of rich people.
Exactly.
You don't know, like not a lot of people have that watch.
Exactly.
But it's the most popular is what I'm trying to say, 1103. So this is a box of straight up Richard Mille, bro.
Damn.
Yeah. This is what really attracts people to us, you know, because you can't find Richard Milles like this in this quantity and this selection.
These white ones are crazy.
Yeah, this one's very hot, bro. It's the new RM72 white ceramic. Beautiful watch, bro. And the gold on the sides is just...
Oh yeah, this is... Dang, it just feels like...
Yeah. That watch next level.
Yeah, this...
And we still have the boring strap there. Like imagine the strap with the shark vents.
Yeah.
Game over.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah. And here actually we can show them a clear difference of what the strap does. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
So it's the same, almost the same watch. They're different. That's the White Ghost. This the Asia edition. You can see the difference in the face.
I like this one. It looks more
Just because of the
aggressive.
strap, yeah. The strap makes a huge difference, and that's why these straps go for freaking almost $3,000 each.
Oh, the straps alone.
Just the strap, yeah. The box for these watches is another 3K.
3K for the box.
Papers is like 10% of whatever the watch is. So for this watch, the paper warranty is 25,000. Yeah. Another one that is the same as the one you picked out on the lavender strap.
Oh, okay.
But this is called the final edition. 50 pieces in the world.
So it's because of the color, or?
It was the last variation they made of the 1103, so that's why it's
Okay.
called the final edition.
Yeah. This one's fire.
Yeah. This one's probably the most rare 1103 out there. More people will have like the McLaren even. This one's very rare.
Yeah, I haven't seen that one yet.
This is the RM11, so it's slightly smaller. The difference here is 2 millimeters, and it's because of these teeth on the side. See, this is 1103.
okay.
This is 11, so there's no teeth on the side of the case. There's a 46 millimeters, 48. This one's limited to 88 pieces in the world. I think we have two. Yeah, we have two of 88.
Damn.
We don't like to buy in singles.
Yeah, two of everything. Man's moving different, yo. Two of everything. Damn, this one's
Just coincidental.
Sheesh.
That's a nice watch.
Yeah, bro, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, when we have the showroom up,
Yeah.
you should come again and we can show them. It's easier, you know?
Yeah,
Everything will be out.
yeah, we'll pull up when it's done.
Bet.
It'll be fire.
Appreciate you
Yes,
always,
sir.
bro.
You already know, my brother.
What's going on, guys? So Steiny and Salim both called me. They're at the golf course right now. I guess they just finished their match, and they made a wager for a $15,000 Rolex budget, and of course they called us to pull up with some options. I don't know who won or who lost, but we're about to go find out, and we have some options in my bag, so let's go check it out.
Yo, hit me, baby. Where's my Rolly
Alright,
at?
wait, 15K is the budget.
Yeah, whatever.
15K is the budget. So whatever you have, that's 15.
I have some stuff here.
Or even if he wants under, would be great.
I
we're
feel like
spending the whole
I feel like
15.
Steiny's gonna go a little bit over.
If
but
he can
this.
go a little
Try to.
under,
This is what I want.
like maybe 14,999.
So we got these options here for you guys.
Yeah, you get to pick.
Which one you want?
I just waxed this guy on his own channel. How good did I play?
You played good. No,
He won.
I swear.
I played good. I played 3 times a year.
You played good.
That's
Alright, pick it out. Let's go. Pick it out.
It's the
I'll make it back.
Miami Aura's hitting him, right?
You're picking one.
I've had both of
Yo, nothing over 15.
These three are in your budget right here.
Yo, nothing over 15. Like 15.
I wanna take a
And this
like,
one.
I want to take a classic sub, and then how much is this?
That 13.5.
That's good.
What about
Pick that.
for my D1 teammate?
That one is 16.
Budget's 15.
16,000?
Yeah.
How about that
Where's
one?
the cheaper
What's that
shit?
one?
It's a Patek. Where's
Yeah,
the cheaper
this is
shit? You got a
19,000.
cheaper shit for
This
her?
is 13. This is 13.
Okay, no, I want to spend 13 on myself, and I want to get my teammates something for like 2.
I don't have anything for 2. I could probably get you something for 2.
You should
Right
go.
here, I
You
don't
should
have
go
it, though.
10 and 5.
Well, let's just measure her wrist.
Go 10
now.
and go 10 and 5. Go 10 and 5.
I want this sub. Classic sub.
Okay, cool.
Well, she gets nothing
No,
then.
you get it. You get it.
Are you sure?
I said 15.
You want? I don't want to do you like
I
that.
said 15 is the budget.
You get
Bro, what we could do is if 15K is the budget, we could do 13.5 for this, and we'll pick out a bracelet at the shop for her.
Give her a
for
bracelet.
1,500.
Did you give her a bracelet?
Yeah, for sure. We'll set it
Okay.
up.
All right.
And you're local in Miami? Yeah. All right, bet. So just come by the
She's
shop
D1.
anytime.
Trish is like, where's mine?
Fuck,
Oh,
man.
these guys.
Damn it, bro.
I got a new sub. I got a new sub on my wrist, baby. Let's go.
Okay, let's take it out.
Yeah,
are you
let's do
gonna put it on his wrist or do you want me to
Yeah,
put it
king,
on?
You
king
put
me.
it on. I don't want to
No,
do that.
king me. King me. Salim's so pissed. He was gonna go pro 2 years ago. I don't know if you guys heard.
He
Oh,
got the
that
hang
feels
of it.
good.
He already knows. He knows
You
the
got
deal.
it? Oh, that feels good,
Well, you need
baby.
to resize it.
Yeah, we'll size it for you.
All right, congrats.
Easy.
Hey,
You got it.
thank you.
All right.
Yo, I'll play
What is it,
full send golf
13.5?
anytime.
All right.
Anytime, anywhere. I'll play full
Wire
send golf.
wire transfer.
I'll
Yeah,
play
you
full
can
send
wire,
golf
we'll do that.
anytime, anywhere. Free rolling on my wrist. D1, we gonna get you something nice.
All right. All right, guys. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Yo,
All right, you done the
comment-
roller. You're done.
Comment if you need Salim to get better. Wax that ass. Yo,
Give her
honestly, the only reason I won was because of her too. She was so good. She was so.
How are you not gonna give Riley some credit, bro? That's fucked up.
D1, we're good.
Fuck. That's a loss.
Subby.
That's a big L.
Subby, Patricia. Daddy has a sub on his wrist.
Oh no. Can I see it? I just want to see
Look
it.
at
I've
that.
never seen one up close.
Yo, this is the first watch Steiny actually owns now.
Wow.
Holy shit, let's go. Go.
Maybe he'll be
Yo,
on
no
time.
more Steve.
Maybe
no more
he'll
Steve,
be on
bro.
time now.
He actually owns it now. Let's
All
go.
Yo, thanks for the watch.
Alright, yeah,
Easy
congrats.
game. Easy
Fuck.
game, D1. Good shit.
13.5 down the drain. Thank you guys so much for watching. Steiny, enjoy the watch.
Thank you.
First time. Yo, you're a watch owner now.
What about Jimmy? We ain't got nothing
Wait,
to
what?
watch.
You did nothing today. You did absolutely nothing today. You did nothing. Like,
Yo.
completely.
Timepiece Trading if you need anything in Miami, jewelry, watches.
Yeah, shout him
My guy
out.
RITZ is right here to go.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, check him out on Instagram. If you guys ever
Thank
need a
you.
piece, Timepiece Trading here in Miami. Check him out.
So guys,
Like
thanks.
I said.
Thanks for the rollie.
I know. All right, we're about to go eat some steak, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, follow them, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
go.
Peace.
Thank y'all.
Alright,
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Alright guys, hope you loved this week's episode. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.